Hi everybody! In this video, we will introduce you to the silkworm rearing and silk processing process in the factory. Silk is produced by several insects, but generally only the silk of moth caterpillars has been used for textile manufacturing. The factory, which you will see in the video, is the largest silk factory in Japan. We will be glad if you subscribe to our channel and like the video. The process of rearing silkworms involves providing them with nutritious food, which is carefully dropped onto the eggs before they hatch. Once the silkworms hatch and molt, they have a voracious appetite and grow rapidly. They need to be fed 3 times a day while they are awake and active, and it is important to distribute the food evenly among all the silkworms. To facilitate this, modern silkworm rearing rooms are equipped with temperature control systems to create suitable conditions. The next stage of silkworm rearing process involves transferring the silkworms to the main farming area, which is lined with nylon material. To restrict their movement, the silkworms are covered with a small net. Mulberry leaves, being the primary food source for silkworms, are provided during this stage. At this point, the silkworms consume 4 meals a day, spaced 6 hours apart. As the silkworm matures and sheds their skin, they grow into larger silkworms, reaching the age of 4 to 5, preparing for the cocoon spinning phase. During this stage, the silkworms have a significant appetite and require a substantial amount of mulberry leaves. For a population of 30,000 silkworms, approximately 1,500 kilograms of mulberry leaves are needed. At the age of 5, silkworms can even consume entire branches to obtain more fiber. They spend up to 15 hours a day eating. After around 6 to 8 days, their feeding slows down, indicating the approaching cocooning process. At this point, the silkworms are carefully selected using a net, separating the healthy ones for the cocoon stage. Afterwards, they are placed onto honeycomb wooden boards. The subsequent step involves suspending the silkworms on a rotating system. The temperature needs to be maintained at 30 to 32 degrees Celsius, which is optimal for silk production. During this time, the silkworms release silk evenly, and the process can be observed through a time-lapse recording. After approximately 4 to 5 days, the cocoons are ready for harvest. The cocoons then undergo a manual sorting process, where any poor quality cocoons are removed. Once sorted, the cocoons are transferred to the silk factory. Silk is a natural protein fiber that can be woven into textiles. It is primarily composed of fibrone and is produced by certain insect larvae to form cocoons. One of the initial steps in the silk production process is submerging the silkworm cocoons in boiling water, which facilitates the dissolution of the cocoons. The fibers that emerge from the dissolved cocoon are then carefully attached to the reel in a machine, ensuring that silk is stored properly. If a thread breaks, a red light illuminates on the machine to alert the workers, allowing them to intervene immediately. Following this, the drying and reeling process takes place. Silk production and processing involve intricate procedures. The silk is packaged in rolls or twists, tailored to the specific requests of customers.